Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Strava app as a beginner in 2025. So step 1, download your Strava app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account if you don't have one. Step 2, from the home screen, tap record to start logging a walk, run, or bike ride. Step 3, use GPS to track your route live. So this is an important step. You should always activate your GPS or live location to track your route live. Step 4. After your activity, tap Finish to save it and add a title, photo, or description if you want to. Step 5. View performance metrics like pace, calories, elevation, and heart rate. Step 6. Join clubs, follow friends, or explore leaderboards for added motivation. Strava is a great fitness companion for tracking and sharing your progress, so use it, okay? So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.